was a fun Saturday in Australia. Hello everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. Yesterday I went to the Olympics area sponsored by the Brisbane government. It's an open ground. It's all for free, no tickets required. Just come and show up and enjoy the game. There are many areas in the city that has big screens and monitors and open ground for viewing the Olympics. But this one is my favorite because they have so many activities. They also have food trucks and a big monitor screen where you can just grab a seat, order if you want to order. If not, you just watch the game and bring your own food and drink. They have many kid activities as well. It's a place for the whole family. In South Bank, this is where you can grab your friends and watch the game all together in a big monitor with other people, cheer on your favorite teams, and enjoy drinks and food. I especially like this initiative, the government, especially this area. Everyone gets to relax, enjoy some games, and it's good for the families. They have the tug of war for the kids. They also have a wall climbing area. They have a table tennis setup. This is by the Brisbane River. And as you know, I love the South Bank. So this area is in South Bank. It's just by the river. You can see the Brisbane Eye earlier, which is the big Ferris wheel. I was just walking around, having some relaxed time. The weather is nice as well. And thank you all for watching. And I hope everyone is having a good weekend. Please click like and follow for more.